Welcome to Techie channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix blue or red monitor tint on your monitor in your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So just follow me to solve this. At first, just go to your search and search for settings. Then just open up settings. Then just expand this. And from settings, you need to go inside system. From here, on the left hand menu under system, you'll find display. Just go inside display. From here, you'll see night light settings. Just enter the night light settings. From here, make sure to turn on night light settings. Now, if your screen is red, just turn it off, like turn the strength down. And if your screen is bluish, just turn the screen strength to up. And just get it to a suitable position and your display should be fixed. Now, this is basically used for long hours of computer usage so that the monitor lights don't harm your eyes that much. So you can also turn this on for that. I'm just gonna turn this off for now. Then just close this. And basically that is how to fix monitor blue or red tint on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.